Okay, hello and welcome back to another video by Foco Web Design. Today I'd like to talk about how to do a WP all-in-one migration using your cPanel instead of using the regular import method. And the reason you'd want to do this is because it's not completing correctly the traditional way. It's getting some sort of error and it's just not working. This might fix that. So if you go into import, normally you drag and drop and you import it right here on this screen. And this will only work, what I'm teaching now will only work if you have the full all-in-one WP migration, the full version of it that allows you to restore backups from this backups section over here. And I think you have to buy the paid version to be able to do this, so fair warning. But here's how you do it. So inside your cPanel account, you're going to want to go to your file manager, and then in most people's cases it'll be inside your public HTML folder right here, and then but for me, I'm working with this website here right now and I need to go into the content folder, and then from here, so you go, for you guys it'll probably be public HTML and then WP content and then all-in-one WP migration backups, and then from here this is where you import your backup. So you click upload, select file that you want, or you can drag and drop it if you've got it, and drag and drop it, and it's going to import the backup into the backup section of the plugin so that you can restore it instead of having to import it. And this will get around the import problem where it gets stuck permanently, or there's all kinds of problems that this plugin can have for whatever reason with different hosting providers, combinations of problems that just don't allow you to complete it. So this will hopefully fix that for you guys. And once this is complete, all you have to do is go over here to your backup section and you just refresh this page, and you will see on the right hand side here there'll be a section here where you can click on restore, and you can just restore the previous version. Keep in mind with any all-in-one WP migration, when you go to restore it or you go to finish a migration, it's going to use the user settings that was used whenever you cloned the website. So the user login has to be whatever logins existed on the site that you cloned, not on the site you were just on a second ago. So in order to see everything, you have to re-log in, and that's common knowledge though, just a reminder. Okay, so hopefully this helped. I'm not going to wait this whole time for the backup to finish, but that is how you do it, and that's one way to get around it.